Gulf countries where we are managing on behalf of the local owners. The bank has what you call large network of 2,715 branches, and we are planning to expand another 300 branches in this current year. And bank is having a network of ATM of 1,250 plus, and we have planned to expand it further 500, reaching it to a level of 1,700 plus by the March 13th current year. Coming to the main focus of the today's subject, that is a first quarter result of the Syndicate Bank for the quarter ended 30th June 2012. We had board meeting and audit committee meeting today in this hotel only, and this meeting being in Delhi, we got chance to invite all of you and we share with you this result immediately after the announcement. The bank has announced this result today morning, and quarter one performance versus the previous year. I will brief you the highlights. After giving my brief, our department will make out a full-fledged presentations about bank's performance to you, and we will definitely would like to address your queries and other part. Even the material also we are providing, where you will not require to write much. The net profit of the bank has increased by 28.28% and reached to the level of 440 crores in this quarter. The net interest margin of the bank has increased by 3 basis points to 3.19%. Operating profit of the bank is up by 13.19% to 841 crores for the quarter. And global advances of the bank has grew by 17%, that is 1,29,171 crores. Global business of the bank is grown by 17.67% to level of 2,86,447 crores. Global deposit of the bank is grown by 18.5% and reached to the level of 1,57,276 crores. The net NPA of the bank is at 0.93% only, one of the well comparable with the good banks in the market. And at the same time, provision coverage ratio to NPA provision coverage ratio is improved to 8.71. Continuously every quarter bank is improving this direction. Cost to income ratio is down at 45.90%. And the return on asset of the bank is substantially increased to 0.99%. Book value of the share of the bank, thus say rupees 10 share each, is valued at 157.39 paise, and earning per share for this quarter unannualized is 7 rupees 31 paise. So annualized you can have roughly 29 rupees somewhere. We have over 30 million customers and pan-India presence, and having the what you call overseas branches, I will explain to you. The net profit on year to year has increased from 343 crores to 440 crores, and operating profit has increased from 743 to 841 crores. Net interest income is grown by 18.83%, that is 1,110 crores to 1,319 crores. And net interest margin I already explained. Yield on advance is also improved to 10.73, and gross NPA of the bank, which was 2.39% last year, is now 2.38% in spite of these so many adverse market conditions. And provision coverage ratio last year was 78.43%, now it is 80.71%. And net NPA is 0.93%. The bank's gross NPA number and percentage, both the sides, we could show some improvement in spite of the adverse situation. The other part, I am not going through a narrative part because you will get better the presentation in the slide, but what we can indicate is that the bank is having, this is the small banks, say small banks, big bank, and we have presence in a rural market. Rural development and financial inclusion, where bank has started way back in 1960s. Agriculture Department Bank had started in 1966 and 1981. Present financial inclusion, what we are talking, we have started by way of the Rural Development Training Institutes and other parts. The bank yesterday was awarded Best RUDSETI, this Rural Self-Employment Training Institutes, first and second awards with the hand of Honorable Minister of Rural Development, Sri Jairam Rameshji. And this bank is having the inspiration to grow with the people. And if you go through our any products and services, it's a state-of-art technology-based products and most competitive terms. We believe in a satisfactory service and our customer to grow, and along with the customer with a what you call big volume, reasonable small margin without any hidden cost, all transparency. We are providing the services, and each product we are most competitive with any other banks in the market, both technology side as well as the bank terms conditions of our products. We have also taken social responsibility, particularly in what you call financial inclusion side. The bank is having a nearby Delhi place called Mewat, which is a part of Haryana. That district we are lead bank, and we are playing very active role for giving a business model, means financial inclusion, all India level model where how to uplift the society, how to uplift the economy of the rural area and give them equal opportunity like the other peoples in the city area. The other part of the bank branch expansion, I already told you, we are trying to cross 3,000 crore by March 13 by opening 300 branches, and ATMs we are going to add 50 to make it the number at say 1,800 crore, 1,800 numbers. Bank has also lot of initiative for technology-based products and green initiatives. And the RTGS NEFT we have made free to the public up to 1 lakh rupees. And we would, what you call, in a plan to go for the new activities while distribution of mutual fund products, gold coin sell part, opening a e-lounge where the new generation person can, means customer can go and without help of anybody, self-operated, the various facilities like internet banking, check depositing machines, the passbook updations, not counting machines, and other technology-based products will be available, where customer can, like a ATM, can operate the branch account without any hassle, and it will be available to extended hours also. We are also planning for a prepaid gift card and opening more gold loan shops, particularly in the demand of the customers, and customers will be say getting in a few minutes the loan, housing loan, gold loan disbursement also immediately. Bank has also make out a new innovative part of centralized processing of the opening of the current and savings account and other back office functioning, to start with trial basis in Bangalore, and will expand to all over India to all the branches. So with this I would like to conclude that every quarter the bank's business and profitability is consistently improving on each business parameter, maybe operating profit, net profit, NII, NIM, gross NPA, net NPA, gross NPA percentage, net NPA percentage, and capital adequacy and provision coverage ratio. Our endeavor is that to make out a syndicate bank, a bank of first preference in the area of operation by our customers.